If you're struggling with knee pain, I've got something to help you. My name is Karin from Karinyogalife, and I'm a certified yoga instructor based in Kingston, Jamaica. So the Cleveland Clinic says that if you're struggling with any kind of joint pain, it's really important to stretch and strengthen the muscles supporting the joints. So today I'm going to share with you a super short, simple yoga sequence to help you to strengthen the muscles supporting your knees and to stretch the muscles supporting your knees. So we're going to start standing in our mountain pose. So the feet are more or less hip-width distance apart and parallel, standing up nice and tall. Bring the hands onto your hips. So we're going to start with warrior two. You're going to just open the feet pretty wide, lining up the toes, coming to a fairly wide stance. You can stretch out the arms, and then you're just going to pivot one foot, turning out to face the short edge of your mat. Inhale here, and then just bend the knee so that it is right over the ankle. If it's too far forward, you're just going to walk your foot out a little bit. Bend the knee again, make sure it's behind or over the ankle, and you are in warrior two. Really helpful for strengthening the legs, the core, and the arms. We're gonna stay here for a few breaths, maybe 3 breaths, 5 breaths. You can work up to more. We're gonna just breathe. Inhale, exhale. And then we're gonna move on to side angle. So we're gonna inhale here, and then just rest the forearm lightly on your thigh. Bring the other arm up to the sky or over towards your ear. Reaching up and over, keep pressing into the floor of the feet, engaging the core, breathing, feel the legs working. And then you're gonna come back to your warrior two. Stretch the knee, bring the arms down. And now let's pivot to the other side. So you're just going to bring the feet back to parallel and then turn the other foot to face the short edge of the mat. Stretch the arms out. Inhale. Bend the knee again. Make sure it's right over the ankle or behind, just not forward of the knee. If it is, walk your foot out. And we are in warrior two on the other side. So again, you can stay here. 1 breath, 3 breaths, 5 breaths. 10 breaths. You want to stay for maybe 3 to 5 breaths to really start strengthening those legs. And then inhale, bring the forearm to rest gently on your thigh. Take the top arm up to the sky or over towards your ear. You're in side angle. Breathing here. Staying for a few breaths. And then coming back to your warrior two. Stretching the knee, bringing the hands down, and then you're going to just pivot back around to your original straddle position. So again, keep the toes pointing forward. You can bring your hands to your hips now. So I'm going to turn sideways so you can see what I'm doing. So you're just going to come into your straddle position, lengthening the spine, inhale, and then start to hinge forward from your waist. You're hinging forward, you're gonna start to feel a stretch in the back of the legs. If you can bring the hands to the floor, you can bring the hands to the floor, or you can bring them to your shins. You wanna keep the spine nice and straight. You're gonna feel a nice stretch in the back of the legs. Again, staying here for maybe 3 to 5 breaths, or longer, up to 10 breaths if you like. Just breathing into it. And then when you're done, you can bring the hands back to the hips, press into the feet, come up with a nice straight spine. So straightening the spine, coming all the way up, and then just toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Bring the feet back together. And there you have it, a short, simple sequence to strengthen the muscles supporting the knees and also to stretch some of the muscles supporting the knees. So I hope this helped. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on strengthening the knees to relieve your knee pain. Hope to see you.